enthusiasm, yung energy, yearning on the part of Leandro and those framers of Bukidnon Environment Code. At the same time naman, diri mi sa Kitanglad, we're thinking of paano na mo i-reach out itong areas na gusto pa rin mag-start. I want to have a model na, kasi pag integrated protected area system, pag integrated is a joining of forces. And I think in the Philippines, even in Southeast Asian countries, ang success story nato is more, it's really collaboration, cooperation. Tribo, gobyerno, NGOs, and I think sa summit would show the picture, tinuod ba ni Mundo.
Thinking na it's a province-wide, what in the planning stage, what are the challenges? Was it difficult to organize the summit?
Many believe that we're enough with summits. Meaning to say it's a political show. Pero sa breakup sessions, daghang kayo nag-thank you. And then just say, moved on. And we think we pick up the momentum on that. Parang, alam yun, from the sector of other groups, they feel na, maging ko na ba ata, mag-serious with drugs to yan. And I think, Mayor Leandro also wants this to happen, and of course our Mayor Torres. And hopefully nga, nag-respond naman sila sa province, si Vice Governor Kalingasan, si Governor Subiri, and then some of the Sanggunian, Panlalawigan, sila Sir Pidotre, and others there in the Environment Committee who really have to also face eye to eye. And I think kung we note down all the issues and challenges on, we have a green sort of vision for the province, pero what are we doing? Meron pa tayong in-entertain na mag-destroy niyan. So, something is like amiss with our thinking process.
To the people of the province of Bukidnon, especially our partners, the local government units, the academic, the religious sector, the civil society, the NGOs, and all other private citizens, I am encouraging you, as we have sent invitation to participate in this very momentous event, in such a way that we can present our views on how to manage our natural resources in the province of Bukidnon, and to contribute your ideas on the effective management of our natural resources.
Yeah, this is not the first summit that happened in Bukidnon. Some people are telling us that this is the third actually. But if you look at the difference between the previous gatherings that we have experienced in Bukidnon, is that this summit right now that we are celebrating, we're doing, are basically not a donor-driven summit. In this case, right now what we're doing are actually people from Bukidnon who has now the capacity to do the summit, sit down and talk to themselves, and what the regional director says, that we are not importing knowledge. People from Bukidnon should discuss their own ideas.
But I realize na katong kahapon ang nangatin na manik yun, there was even a group na we're not attempting to attend, nag-ani din but they realize na-present lang ang Bukidnon Declaration. But we do believe that everybody's interested about it because nagdagan kayo naghangyo nga pwede ba ipalawong pa nato, i-discussan nato aron gyud mo gawas ang say gusto natin so by that I think there's an interest sa amin na lang siguro sa organizers, sa sponsors, malipay sila that we have to continue kasi yeah, we have the summit pero dapat dili nga mababa na takay na reach nato. It's just really a beginning and kami siguro, I'm sure Felix would also na habang kami and with Easters we will continue kung naapamagani aktibidades nga baton, gratis in amore would do it for the environment.